talk today about this camera. It's very easy to use and very small. It's coming with USB cable, very enough length with USB adapter. And after turn on this camera, it's not coming with the lights, but it's coming with the IR vision. After I download this app, you can find the barcode for the application with inside the catalog. After you create account, you can find this in security sensors and smart camera. Be sure you connect your mobile to 2.4 G Wi-Fi. After that, keep the camera in front of the barcode. You hear the sound, just click there. It's very easy to set up. Inside this area, you will find the micro SD card, and this is for a microphone. Now it's done. As what you said, it's a good quality. And from this setting, you can choose a motion detection alarm. You can speak. It's coming with two audio way, and you can create video or photo. You can use this one for alarm. You can change the resolution from here. I think it's very easy to use, and it's coming with a good price. Now the night vision is working well. I think it's very easy to use, and I like it.
We got the Voger VB420 outdoor security camera right here. See, key features is a IP66 weatherproof, motion detection, night vision. It says 24/7 recordings, even in tough weather, adjustable sensibility, real-time alerts, and clear video stream quality day and night. Up right there. Let's see, so far what we got in the box is instruction manual. Got the camera right here, power adapter, some mounting screws, looks like a generous length. I want to say in here is going to be where the micro SD card is going to be stored.
And that's it. Has a microphone too.
And yeah, microphone.
It's got pretty good color on that app. It was pretty easy, very easy to install. There it is.
I didn't want to be that person to be like, no, you can't do this. Like, I want you to be with me or whatever. Because ultimately, like, I kind of knew that, like, I loved her so much, but I kind of knew, like, I did, like,